Namaste. In last videos, we understood the oral consumption, nasal drinking, nasal neti of self-urine. Here, we will understand how self-urine is useful in certain eye diseases as well as hearing problems. Eyes are the important organs in our body, and washing or bathing eyes with a fresh urine known to be very useful to have a clear visual perception. Eye wash is done by using a specially designed eye cup. You may get such a type of eye cups in a market, any chemist shop you will get. So putting urine drops in the eyes with the help of a dropper is also an easier method. So regular practice of urine wash along with certain yogic eye exercise and flame gazing is found to be very useful in various types of refractive errors and even cataract. So applying urine pack on eyes for 1 hour every day is found to be very effective in retinal dysfunction. So what we need to do is, for eye wash, you have to take a fresh urine in such a eye cup and you have to dip your eye in a urine and you have to blink. So you can use it for both eyes, morning, evening, but precaution is to be taken that this urine has to be a fresh one and it is to be used sterile kind of urine. Well, if you have any hearing problem, urine ear drops is also a very good therapy. The ears are the organs of hearing as well as the body balance. Using urine ear drops are known to prevent ear infections, especially infections of the outer ear and ear canal. Putting 2-3 drops of fresh urine is seen to be very useful to improve impaired hearing. Ear drops also provide relief in tinnitus and vertigo. Ear drops are contraindicated in cases of perforated eardrum. So what is the precaution? 20 minutes after putting the urine drop in the ears, ear canal must be wiped off and kept dry and clean. So this is the way we can treat eye dysfunctions as well as hearing dysfunctions with the help of urine therapy. Thank you.